Okay, this is our booth here at the Fred Hall Fishing Show in Long Beach. It's Thursday. That's our TV show booth. And this is our products. There's Ron, Manny working in the booth. Our t-shirts and stuff. Fish batter. And this is the Youth Foundation booth.
Hello.
This is our fundraiser area where we have the game going on.
There's a winner.
That's our whole booth. So we have 30 feet here at the Fred Hall show, and it's been a pretty good show so far. I know the weekend's going to be really, really hectic and busy. It's the end of the show, 9 o'clock now. Everybody's getting ready to leave right now. The show's going to end in about 2 minutes. So make sure you come down the show, come visit us at our booth, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and we'll be on TV this Saturday. And this is the Fred Hall show.